If you're evaluating wax types, this video is for you. Many beginners get frustrated early on because they choose a wax that comes with a lot of challenges, and those challenges can make the learning process unnecessarily frustrating. Why I don't use soy wax for candle making. I want to be clear, I'm not trying to be controversial or criticize anyone who uses soy wax. This is simply my honest opinion. If you're just starting out in candle making, someone has probably told you that soy wax is the best option. Natural, clean, sustainable. But let's talk about the real experience of working with soy wax because it's not always the hero it's hyped up to be. First off, soy wax isn't as natural as you think. Yes, soy comes from plants, but most soy wax is heavily processed and chemically treated to become wax. Not to mention, the soy industry is tied to deforestation and GMO farming. So if you're choosing soy thinking it's pure, you might want to take a second look. Second, soy wax has a lot of performance problems. Here's where things get real. Soy wax can be fussy. Frosting shows up like a cloudy film, and good luck keeping it off. Spots super common, sinkholes and cracking, even when you pour it just right. And it's not forgiving. One little thing off, and your whole candle can look amateur. And next, the scent throw is just meh. If you're trying to sell your candles, scent matters. Soy wax has a softer throw. That means your cold throw is light. And your hot throw, sometimes it smells like wax. You have to work harder, cure longer, wick perfectly, and pray to get consistent scent performance. So what is the solution? There are many better alternatives to soy wax. What are they? You want smooth tops, amazing throw, and fewer headaches? Coconut blends, apricot wax. Even some soy blends with coconut or paraffin outperform straight soy by a mile. They pour smoother, they cure faster, and they make your life easier. To wrap it up, I'm not here to bash soy wax. If it works for you, great. But if you're frustrated, if your candles look cloudy, smell weak, or act temperamental, it might not be you, it might just be the wax. There are better waxes out there. Choose one that works for you, not just the one someone told you to use. If you are new to candle making, check out my beginner video playlist, link in description. If you are looking for ways to create candles that sell, I teach candle makers how to create candle art using sublimation and engraving. You can pick up my book at cost for a limited time. See you next time on The Candle Artist Way.